La la ooh, oh. An old man turned 98. He won the lottery and died the next day. It's a black fly in your shirt and it's death row bottom, 2 minutes too late. And isn't it ironic, don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day, free ride when you've already paid. It's the good advice that you just didn't take. And who would have thought it figures? Well, life has a funny way of sneaking up on you when you think everything's okay and everything's going right. Yeah, life has a funny way of helping you out when you think everything's go wrong and everything's up in your face. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheese.com and today I'll show you how I'm playing Ironic by Alanis Morissette. Alright, this is not going to be in the original key, it's in the key that it's comfortable for me to sing, but maybe to help a bunch of you out too. So yeah, let's give it a try. It's like rain on your wedding day, it's free ride. Alright, so the first chord we need is the chord of A. Alright. Then we need the chord of D, which I'm grabbing like this with one finger, and I don't know if you can see, I'm bending it so the A string is open. If that way is hard for you, you can grab it with 3 fingers, okay? And also we have the chord of B minor, which I'm grabbing like this. I'm barring here the C, E, and A string on the 2nd fret, and I'm reaching right here on the 4th fret of the G string with the ring finger. If that's too hard, this reach, you can just bar the whole 2nd fret. This is B minor 7, it will sound okay, it's a good compromise. Also we need the chord of G major 7, which is barring on the 2nd fret like this, but the G string is open. Okay? Also we need the chord of C and the chord of G, just a regular G chord. And that's all the chords we need. So the intro, it starts with G major 7 to A, and again G major 7, and then we have this little pick which is on the A string 5th fret, then 4th fret, then on the E string 5th fret, and on the C string 2nd fret. Okay? And also we're using this same part for the bridge after that, but let me show you how it goes intro. Alright, and after that you start the verse, which is A to D, and then A to B minor. Okay, and pretty much you're just repeating this. This is the main part. A to D and then A to B minor. But notice that the A is a little bit shorter than the 2nd chord. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the beginning, in the verse, we're just doing one strum for every chord. An old man turned 98. He won the lottery and died the next day. It's a black fly in your shirt and it's a death row bottom, 2 minutes too late. And isn't it ironic, don't you think? Alright, so 5 times we're repeating this for the verse, and after that we are doing the same part for the chorus, but we start strumming a lot. It's like rain on your wedding day, it's free ride when you've already paid. It's a good advice that you just didn't take. 3 times, and after that we go C to G to A. And would have thought it figures. The strumming I'm doing right here, it's something like down, down, and on the next chord I'm doing down, up, down, 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 up. So we have intro, verse 1, chorus, then we have verse 2, chorus, then we have bridge, which is the same as the intro, and then we have verse 3. And on verse 3 we are doing the main part, not 5 but 6 times, okay? The part where she says meeting the man of my dreams and then meeting his beautiful wife, she's doing twice. And isn't it ironic, don't you think? A little too ironic. Yeah, I really do think. And you go to another chorus, and after that the outro is the same as the intro, just G major 7 to A to G major 7, and then you finish it with. And that's how you end the song. At least this is how I'm doing it. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful for you. Also tell me which song do you want me to do next, and subscribe, like, and all the obvious things, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.